Understanding I'm skeptical, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, I'm skeptical. It's a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enrich your English skills. So, let's get started. I'm skeptical is a phrase used when someone has doubts or is not easily convinced about something. It's like saying, I have my reservations, or I'm not sure I believe this. This phrase is often used in situations where someone needs more evidence or proof before they can believe or accept something. To better understand, I'm skeptical, let's see it in action. 1. In a conversation, imagine someone tells you about a new, miraculous diet pill. You might respond, I'm skeptical. Does it really work? Here, you're expressing doubt about the pill's effectiveness. 2. In the news, a journalist might say, experts are skeptical about the politicians' promises. This means the experts doubt the promises will be fulfilled. Using I'm skeptical is straightforward. Here are a few examples. I'm skeptical about the weather forecast. It changes so often, he's skeptical about the new manager's plans for the team. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: doubtful, unconvinced, questioning. You can also vary the phrase, like, I remain skeptical, or she is somewhat skeptical. And that's a wrap on I'm skeptical. Remember, it's a phrase expressing doubt or a need for more proof. I hope this video helps you understand and use it confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.